What's up, pilots, and welcome back to the channel Caring Guy. We all know that drone tech is moving fast, but today we're looking at a new model that feels like a massive leap forward, the new Drone S166. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a fully capable aerial machine, boasting 8K HD dual cameras, GPS stability, and a feature that changes everything for new and intermediate pilots: intelligent obstacle avoidance on all sides. Let's get this beast in the air. Unmatched safety and stability. The first thing you have to talk about is safety. The S166 features intelligent obstacle avoidance across the front, back, up, and down axes. This gives you a true 360 degrees layer of protection. Say goodbye to the anxiety of bumping into walls or losing the drone in a tree. For beginners, this feature alone makes it worry-free flying, and for pros, it lets you fly closer to the action with confidence. Coupled with this safety system is GPS precise positioning. This means when you let go of the sticks, the S166 locks into place, ensuring stable video capture even in light winds. Plus, it's powered by brushless motors, giving you higher efficiency, greater durability, and whisper-quiet performance compared to older motors. The 8K camera and creative freedom. Now, let's talk about the image quality. The S166 comes equipped with 8K Professional HD dual cameras. Yes, you heard that right, 8K. This level of detail is incredible for a drone in this category. The dual camera switching also lets you toggle between the main front lens and a downward-facing lens for a stunning panoramic perspective. Want to be the star of your own video? The S166 makes it easy. It supports gesture photography and gesture recording. A simple hand motion is all it takes to snap a photo or start rolling video, allowing you to get into the shot without touching the controller. And once your footage is captured, use the built-in MV recording sharing features to quickly edit and share your work. Autonomous flight modes. The S166 truly shines with its suite of intelligent flight modes. With GPS engaged, you can program complex shots effortlessly. Set up circular flight, watch the drone autonomously orbit a point of interest, capturing a cinematic reveal shot every time. Trajectory flight, draw a flight path on your app screen, and the S166 will follow it precisely, allowing you to focus entirely on the camera angle. Intelligent follow-up flight, lock onto a subject, be it yourself, a car, or a pet, and the drone will automatically track and follow, keeping the subject perfectly centered in the frame. And if you fly too far or the battery starts to dip, the one-click return and low-power return features use GPS to bring the drone safely home automatically. Final verdict. From its ABS high-toughness casing, which offers super strong drop resistance, to the dazzling omnidirectional LED lighting that looks incredible at night, the S166 is clearly built to impress and built to last. It's a fantastic package that combines safety, stability, and stunning 8K video quality. If you want a drone that truly allows you to focus on creativity rather than control, this is the one to check out. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews. Have you flown a drone with all-sided obstacle avoidance yet? Let me know your experience in the comments below.